Three-time Grammy winner Diplo is famous enough to get by with just one name. But it didn't mean squat to security guarding a gig he was supposed to work in Cannes, France. Watch the video below. I was booked to DJ a yacht party in Cannes but security wouldn't let me in, Diplo captioned in a video he shared on Instagram Monday. The yacht was empty so I was about to take the L and go get food. One woman in the clip is seen repeatedly urging staff to let Diplo in. Then a man in a tux came into the picture. "Let him in, let him," he said, appearing amused by the mix-up. "Luckily the owner was walking by and let me in," Diplo wrote. "Next time I'm adding myself to the guest list," he quipped in the Insta caption. The Cannes Film Festival concluded on Saturday and Diplo, whose real name is Thomas Wesley Pence, appeared at the annual Amphar Gala on May 26. It isn't clear what night the bouncers nearly bounced Diplo.